Hi guys, today I am going to show you how do I take care of the things which I have got it from supermarket, and I also show you how to handle the things carefully. Don't touch anything else apart from the carry bags, and don't touch your face meanwhile. Okay? See, I'm not using my hands to close the door, I'm using my foot. Okay? So I'm keeping all my two bags over here, and now I'm removing all the items in one go. Okay. These are the fruits. I'll keep it aside for a while. Then I'll do it. So I'll not use this carry bag again. I'll throw it in the dustbin. Okay. I'm just keeping it aside. These are the fruits which I have ordered. So I'm going to throw this. I'll clean this again. Okay. So I'll take the wipes and I have to clean this because I have touched it by mistake. Now I'm going to clean one by one. Make sure you don't miss any area of the packet and let it dry. I'm just keeping it here. Do it very carefully. Just remember, this is not 100% protection, but we just are trying our best to don't touch anything else, and whatever you have touched anything by mistake, you just clean with the wipes again or wash it. See, I'm doing everything like this. See, the almonds and these things are under the packet, so no need to clean anything. This is the non-fat cooking spray which I use for the omelets and other stuff. These are the green tea bags. It's okay. This is the low-fat milk which I always prefer. Okay, this is chicken breast. Just clean the packet very carefully from all the corners. See, I'm using this as well. And we have to let it dry for some time. Okay. Now I'll wash all the fruits. See, I'm not using my hands. Just clean it very nicely. So I'm keeping this here, and with the same wipes I'll again clean this area, then I'll wash it with water as well. But meanwhile I'll just clean all this area as well, and then I have to open this. Sorry, I can't, but I have to use again. Okay. So my hands are clean now, so I can use this. It's no issue. I'll use little water over here, then I'll take a tissue paper and I'll clean this. And then I'll throw the tissue paper. So see, you can see like I have not touched anything, and whatever I have touched by mistake, I have cleaned that area as well. So now I'll throw this. Let the fruits dry and this item as well. Just keep it for a while, and then whenever it is dry, you can keep it and store it in fridge or in your cupboards, whatever you want. Okay. So thank you so much, guys. If you like this video, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe on my YouTube channel, Live Nutri Life. Okay, thank you so much. Bye. Stay safe, stay home, stay healthy. Bye bye and take care.